Alright, hey guys, what's up? So basically we're gonna go by downtown Milwaukee, and we're gonna go ahead and I want to fly the drone. I want to see if I can get some nice shots of the city again, so that way I can show you guys. I know I haven't been posting for a while, been busy with work and stuff, so hopefully, you know, now that the winter's coming, I have a little bit more time and start making more videos, you know, because I really do want to get into this making videos. You know, it's fun, I like it, it's creative. I just like I like creating, you know, and I want to get into it more. So I have my drone all fully charged. I'm here with the kids.
So I want to go to Chicago.
No, we're not going to Chicago. So I'm here with the kids, and we're just gonna go have fun and see what we see and go from there.
And yeah, we're gonna.
All right, so we found a pretty good spot here in the downtown area where I want to fly the drone, and it's beautiful. There's a clock tower in there. I want to see if I can get some shots of the clock tower there. So let's see what we can get. Hey guys, so we really had a really good successful flying over there at the clock tower. I got some videos, I got some photos, and I'm pretty sure the photos came out pretty good. Weather is beautiful. It's more than 10 miles visibility. It's very beautiful. There's a picture in particular where you can see the bridge. It's nice, very nice. So I hope that picture, when I edit, it comes out really good. So nonetheless, we're gonna go ahead and go to lakefront. I want to capture some buildings in front of the lakefront area. Very beautiful area. So I hope you guys enjoy it and enjoy the video. All right, so this is basically the lakefront area here in Milwaukee. It's very nice. Those are the buildings that I'm talking about here in the background. Kids are playing, and so we're gonna fly the drone and see what you guys. I hope you guys like it, because yeah, I love doing this, and like I said, I haven't posted in a while, but you know, hopefully we can start posting more. You know, now that the winter's coming, we're gonna be having fun in the winter. We're gonna go sledding, so there's a lot of adventures we're gonna be doing. All right guys, talk to you guys soon, and let's get up in the air. All right, so we had an excellent flight. I got some videos, I got some pictures. I can't wait to show you guys. It's been a lovely day. It was windy, but it's not that bad. It wasn't that bad. So it did start to get a little stronger, so I decided to bring the drone back in, but good thing it happened after I got the shots, after I got the videos. Can't wait to show you guys what I have now. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like I said, sorry that I haven't been posting, every weekend I try to make a video, but I guess I've stopped, and we'll see what happens. I want to keep going at it. I want to start doing this more often, at least minimum, like every weekend. I want to be able to post videos of our adventures or exploring. And now that the winter's going to be coming in, so I want to be able to, show you guys what we see. And hopefully you guys enjoy the content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if I'm doing something wrong. Give me pointers, whatever you guys want. Just let me know down below, and I'll read the comments. Yeah, I'll read the comments, and we'll go from there. So I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the footage that I got. So check out the pictures. I'm gonna be posting the pictures on Instagram. So if you don't have my Instagram, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link below. So check it out. It's going to be there. I have all of my pictures on Instagram. Check it out. Let me know what you think, and comment. Like I said, I want to know what you guys are thinking. I want to know what if you guys are liking this. So, and I'm hoping you guys, are liking this. So nonetheless, thank you for being here, and thank you for spending time with us, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye. Bye.